TAMRON is a comprehensive optical manufacturer that develops and produces optical products across every field. As optical specialists in a society undergoing significant change, we uncover customer needs and respond by developing innovative products. Since it was founded in 1950, TAMRON has sought to become a leading optical manufacturer, developing creative optical products such as high-power zoom lenses and varifocal lenses for surveillance cameras. We have broadened possibilities in a range of industrial fields and earned worldwide recognition. TAMRON develops a wide range of lenses, including photographic lenses. As a comprehensive optical manufacturer in the field of interchangeable lenses for DSLR cameras and mirrorless cameras, we have leveraged our unique position to develop numerous high-quality products. From the SP series of high-end models to high-power zoom lenses and compact lightweight lenses for superior portability, our highly creative lens concepts and exceptional image quality have earned high praise from users and industry experts. TAMRON supplies various lenses to the industry sector to meet the requests of customers. We develop and manufacture high-quality lens units that cater to image sensors with increasingly high resolutions. We were the first in the world to bring to the surveillance market varifocal lenses, whose angle of view can be freely changed after camera installation. We have since continued to expand our high-performance lineup. TAMRON also harnesses the technologies it has cultivated in the surveillance market to develop and manufacture camera modules. Compact camera modules equipped with an optical vibration compensation mechanism have had a major impact on the market. FA and machine vision lenses are employed in machine vision systems used for factory production line inspections that demand high image quality. TAMRON engaged in active market development to further expand the potential of lenses, including entries into the markets for automotive camera lenses and drone lenses. TAMRON also manufactures various high-precision lens components, including test plates that measure the precision of lenses. TAMRON is one of the few comprehensive optical manufacturers in the world involved in everything from development to sales. Using technologies we have accumulated over many years, we have developed numerous products, while also devising a host of technologies in optical design, special lens manufacturing, coatings, electronics, software, and test plate production. By deploying the technologies that we have developed in each field to several other fields, and incorporating those technologies in our lenses, we are able to supply each market with unique, high value-added products. TAMRON has established a rigid quality control system. We conduct field tests under strict conditions during development and conduct durability tests for temperature, vibration, shock, and other effects. We also leverage our strength in handling every process from development and design to manufacturing in-house to maintain control over each process. To produce molds, we have established a mold fabrication plant adjoining our head office. Performing fabrication in-house allows us to enhance the precision of component dimensions and supply high-precision, high-quality products that cater to the age of high resolutions. TAMRON also maintains strict controls to ensure consistent quality regardless of which of its manufacturing sites in Japan, China, or Vietnam has manufactured a product. The words "Made in TAMRON" represent this assurance of quality. To ensure that our products reach customers around the world, we also conduct global sales activities in approximately 70 countries, primarily operating out of 7 local subsidiaries. As a comprehensive optical manufacturer that produces everything from test plates to lens units and molds, TAMRON is rare even by global standards. As specialists in optical technologies, we pursue the further potential of optics while making broad contributions to society.